This video shows you how to use the HTML5-based vSphere client to display memory utilization for Distributed Resource Management, or DRS. As we show here for DRS memory utilization, the Flex-based vSphere web client shows only consumed memory for hosts in a cluster. Notice that the vSphere web client does not display active memory utilization. Knowing the active memory utilization is a better way to measure the effectiveness of DRS. The HTML5-based vSphere client now displays both consumed and active memory. To see the DRS active memory utilization in the vSphere client, navigate to a cluster, click Monitor, and select Memory Utilization under vSphere DRS. Select Active from the Memory Metric dropdown. A graph of memory utilization per host appears. You can easily switch back and forth between consumed and active memory utilization. Here we switch to consumed memory and then back to active. In the vSphere client, you can also compare DRS consumed and active memory utilization on individual virtual machines. The sections in the chart represent virtual machines. Click inside a section. A pop-up shows the memory utilization and other DRS information. For additional information about DRS memory utilization, see vSphere Resource Management Guide or visit docs.vmware.com.